graduate.
High school na ba tayo?
Next year.
High school na ba ito?
What, Arkin, what does account use for calculating income? Calculator. Ayun na. Sayas. Sire. O, saan yung dinosaur din? Wala.
Chinese ko na.
Matanda ba tayo?
Ano, chapter? Asa si Mother? Mag-chapter 3 pa lang. Pero ang isipin ko pa
Drop lang yung robot mo at nakilok mo yung robot.
Saan si Orbe? Huli naman.
ay, si Jovel.
Kagulo na.
Ay!
Wala na yun.
Change is the only constant or one of the few constants that you will have in your lifetime. But amidst the changes, there are things that remains steadfast, unchanging, resilient, regardless of age and generation. And Claire and Mavis talked about it.
Princess Angelo Y. Aguilar, with honors, Leadership Award, Best in Math, Best in Science, Best in Good Manners and Right Conduct, Best in Araling Panlipunan, and Best in Filipino. Princess Angelo Aguilar, third place in DIFO Quiz B Science, sa grade 4 Science category. Grade 5 awardees: Lawrence Arkin D. Minyosa, with honors, Best in Math, Best in Filipino. Vince Bryden T. Tapel, with honors, Leadership Award, Best in English, Best in Science, and DIFO Grade 5 Top 11 in Science category.
Congratulations to our awardees, and it is with great pleasure and pride that we now move on to the one of the most inspiring segments of our program, the awarding of the scholarship certificates. And today, we recognize not only academic excellence, but also resilience, dedication, and the burning desire to reach for something greater. These scholars have not only met expectations, they've exceeded them. And we would now like to call on upon again. Let's give a huge round of applause once again for all our scholars. Your hard work, perseverance, and ambition light the way for others to follow. We are incredibly proud of you. May this scholarship be a stepping stone toward even greater achievements in the future.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this point in our program, we take a moment to pause and reflect on
We are the children of yesterday's dream. We are the promise of the future we've been. Waving the banner of love to all, to every nation.
Ano, busy. Busy siya sa cellphone. Hala, nangingain na siya. Nangunguna po siya sa lahat.
Para marami kang weapon, kunin mo mga green. At saka yung money. Pero po, Bob.
Pangano to.
Kaya mo games? Games. Ilaro ko dito, oh. Oh, marami na.
Kanina ka pa. Ha? Nakarami ka na. Ayun na.
Bilis ko ka na, bilis.
Ano ko sa natin? No.
Mami, ah.
Yung gravy na. Gravy lang naman yan. Naunguna po siya. Kanina po po siya.